Hey YouTube, Uncle Grizzly coming at you again. Got kind of a special video for you today. We're currently sitting downtown Van Buren, Arkansas, near the one of the parts of the rail yard out here. Here in just a little bit, Union Pacific number 4014, also known as the Big Boy, is going to be coming through here, and we got a front row seat sitting here waiting for them to show up. While we're waiting, I thought I would read you guys a little bit of information. Got to keep my hand up here, kind of block the reflection off the truck behind us. But I thought I would read a little bit of info for you because I've seen a lot of videos from this tour that it's doing, and I haven't seen any that have given you any information about the train. So, I've got this off of up.com telling about the Big Boy. And it says here that 25 Big Boys were built exclusively for Union Pacific Railroad, the first of which was delivered in 1941. The locomotives were 132 feet long and weighed in at approximately 1.2 million pounds. Because of their great length, the frames of the Big Boys were hinged or articulated to allow them to negotiate curves. They had a 4884 wheel arrangement, which meant they had 4 wheels on the leading leading truck or pilot wheels, which guided the engine, 8 drivers, another set of 8 drivers, and 4 wheels following, which supported the rear of the locomotive. Big Boy number 4014 was delivered to Union Pacific in December 1941. The locomotive was retired December 1961, having traveled 1,031,205 miles in its 20 years of service. Union Pacific reacquired number 4014 from the Rail Giants Museum in Pomona, California in 2013, relocated it back to Cheyenne to begin a multi-year restoration process. It returned to service May 2019 to celebrate the 150th anniversary of the Transcontinental Railroad's completion. Okay, some vital statistics about it. It has a 14-wheeled tender with it, has a capacity of 25,000 gallons of water and 56,000 pounds of coal. Cylinder dimensions: 23 3/4 inch diameter with a 32-inch stroke. Drive wheels are 68 inches in diameter. The boiler is 106 9/16 of an inch outside diameter and will withstand a pressure of 300 psi. Firebox is 235 1/32 inch long, 96 3/16 inches wide. Wheelbase: the driving wheelbase is 47 foot 3 inches. The engine 72 foot 5.5 inches. Engine and tender together 132 feet 9 7/8 inches. That's a big train. Let's see what else we've got here. Oh yeah, and of the 25 Big Boys that were created, 4014 is the only one that is currently operable and active, running on the rails. So, looks like we've got about 45 minutes to sit here and wait and watch for Big Boy to come in. For you guys, it'd be just a moment. When he starts rolling up the track here at us, we'll be back with you. Stick around. My God, she's beautiful.
Yeah. Chloe, pick her up.
Big boy. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, you gotta love it.
Hey, yeah, you get in there. I'll take your picture.
Go around.
You go around and go look at the passenger cars? Yeah. I want to go look at the passenger. Imagine so. What? The gray thing?
That looks beautiful.
Be loud. Be loud now.
Yeah, you might want to plug your ears. It's gonna be loud. It might be sudden. It might scare you. I love it. Okay guys, we're back home now. Had a wonderful time watching that big, beautiful piece of machinery and history roll in. Hope everybody enjoyed. Please remember to like, give a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And be sure to share this. Let other people that you know would be interested in seeing it, let them see it. Everybody have a wonderful day. We're coming up on Thanksgiving here soon, so if you don't hear from me before then, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Merry Christmas to everyone. And let's hope that we all have a great year next year, if not a better year than this year. Love you guys. Bye.